Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Nan Engineering Modern School. So now this is the very first video of the science. In that we are just going to the chapter number 1, that is food. Where does it come from? Okay students. So here first you can see in the introduction paragraph the 3 points are given. So first of all let us see that is all living things need food to grow and stay alive. Our food helps us in many ways. That is, the first way that is we get energy from the food we eat. Okay, the second point that is food helps us to grow and repair worn out tissues. Then food helps us stay healthy and protect our body from diseases. Okay, so these are three things. First, we get energy from the food we eat. Then after, food helps us to grow and repair worn out tissues. Then after, food helps us stay healthy and protect our body from diseases. So in this many ways the food helps us, and we all know that we all just eat the different kinds of food. There are some of the area food, means if we go to the Punjab then it is known as the Punjabi foods, Gujarat then Gujarati food, Kathiawadi food, Chinese food and Italian, and different kinds of the foods are there. Okay, in Gujarati food we all know that there is chapati, sabji and that all. Okay, so here these 3 points just tells us about the food. They are we get energy from the food we eat. Means if we want energy for our body then we have to eat food. We all know that we can live 3 to 4 days without food. Okay, but then after we have to eat the food. Okay, then after, food helps us to grow and repair worn out tissues. So some of the tissues which are damaged during some of the things, then if you want to just repair that tissues, then we need some of the proteins, vitamins, food that we have to eat, so it will be repaired. Then after, food helps us stay healthy and protect our body from diseases. Okay, this just protects the food protect. If we just eat the healthy food, it protects from diseases. Okay, students, moving further. Okay, now moving further. That is food from plants. Food from plants. Okay. So, first of all, how the plants make their food. Okay. So, how the plants make their food? If we see, the plants make their food by the photosynthesis process. So, what is the photosynthesis process? Do you know or not, students? So, in the photosynthesis process, first of all, what is photosynthesis process? So, if we just talk about the photosynthesis process, then carbon dioxide from air, that is CO2, plus water in presence of sunlight. Okay, in presence of sunlight, we get sugar or starch. And we get oxygen. Okay, we get oxygen. So this is the photosynthesis process by which plants make their food by their own. Okay, students. Now the foods that we get from the plants, let us see that. But before that, let us read the first paragraph which is given in your textbook. So green plants make their own food in presence of sunlight, using carbon dioxide from air and water from soil. This is why they are called producers. Plants store extra food prepared by them in their different parts. This stores food helps them survive in unfavorable conditions. Okay, we eat different parts of the plants as food. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, and from different parts of the plant. So let us first of all see from roots what we get. Okay, so from roots we get, that is carrot, radish, turpin, sweet potatoes, and beetroot. Okay, so this many things we get from the roots. So which things we get? That is carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, and beetroot, that we get from the roots of the plants. Then after, what we get from the stems. Okay, Okay, so from the stem we get, that is sugarcane, okay, then after potatoes, ginger, garlic. Okay, so these things we get from the stem, that is sugarcane, potato, ginger, and garlic. Okay, then after leaves. So from which from leaves we get spinach, cabbage, lactus, coriander, and mint. So this many things we get from the leaves, that is spinach, cabbage, lettuce, coriander, and mint. From flowers we get cauliflower, and banana as a vegetable. Okay, so from flowers we get cauliflower, banana as a vegetable. Okay, then after it is fruits. Okay, so fruits. We plants also gives us fruits to eat. So usually fruits have one or more seeds, tomato, brinjal. So these are some of the fruits, that is tomato, brinjal, ladyfinger, and pumpkin. Okay, are actually fruits. This is are not the vegetables. These are the fruits. So let us see again. But before here also there are some given seeds and spices. But that we will first see here. Then after we will see that. So here roots. From the roots of the plants we get, that is carrot, radish, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, and beetroot. Okay, so this all things we get that from, that is roots. Then after stems, sugarcane, potato, ginger, and garlic. So this many things we get from the stems. Okay, then coming towards leaves, that is spinach, cabbage, lettuce, coriander, and mint. This many things we get from the leaves. Then after flowers, that we get, that is cauliflower and banana as a vegetable. Okay, then after fruits, so tomato, brinjal, lettuce, and pumpkin. These are all fruits, not the vegetables. So now let us see what is written in the book. That is, we eat roots of plants such as carrot, radish, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, and beetroots. Stems, We eat the stems of sugarcane plant and also use it to make sugar. We also eat the underground stems of the plants such as potato, ginger and garlic. Leaves. We eat leaves of plants such as spinach, cabbage, lettuce, coriander and mint. Flowers. We eat flower from plants such as cauliflower and banana as vegetable. Fruits. Plants also gives us fruit to eat. Usually fruits have one or more seeds. Tomato, brinjal, ladyfinger and pumpkin are actually fruits. Fruits we can commonly group them as vegetables. Okay. Then moving further, here you can see the pictures are given. You can see here roots, then it is beetroots and carrot, stems, potatoes and ginger. Leaves, that is spinach and lettuce, and flowers, that is banana and cauliflower. Fruits, that is tomatoes and mangoes. Seeds, no seeds we haven't seen, we will see here. So here seeds, we also get seeds. We get just some of the seeds. Here I am just writing. That is mung, kidney beans, and chickpea. Are seeds of the plants. Okay, these are the seeds of the plants. Okay, so these are called the pulses, all known as the pulses. Then wheat, maize and rice are also seeds called cereals. Seeds of cumin, pepper, fenugreek and cardamom are eaten as spices. We also eat some seeds after their sprout. Sprouted seeds are very healthy for sprouting. First we soak the seeds in water and then after few hours drain the water and leave them till they germinate. We may eat sprouted either cooked or uncooked. Moong dal, chickpea and peas are common seeds that we sprout and eat. Okay, so here you can see an activity is given. Let us see this activity. To make sprout, materials needed in handful of dry moong dal, water and muslin cloth. So here that is, wash the moong dal seeds and tie them in a wet muslin cloth. Keep the cloth moist by sprinkling water over it. After some days, tiny water sprouts started growing from the seeds. You can eat this sprout either raw or cooked. Simply wash them with the clean water and add salt and lemon juice to make a healthy salad. Okay, so we can sprout. These sprouted seeds are very healthy for our body. Okay, students. Now moving further. But before that, let us revise this. This is foods from the plants. So, the food that we get from the plant. So, there are some of the parts of the plant from which we get the food, that is roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruit, seeds and other things from which we get the food from the plant. Okay, and here then we have also seen these sprouted seeds, okay, which is very healthy to our body. Now moving forward to the food from the animals. Okay, students. So food from the animals. food from the animals. Food from animals. So let us see that. So if I am just we are just going through the introduction of it. We will see further in the next video. So food from the animals. So animals that the animals from which we get food. That is, if we just know that milk we get from the cow, buffalo, goat. Okay, so this milk we get from them. And if I just say honey, so honey we get from the bees, and eggs we get from the hens. Okay, then there are many of the things that we get from the animals, and from milks there are different dairy products we get, that all we see in the next video. But now in this video we are just going through the introduction of foods from the animals. Okay students, so food from the animals means what? The food that we get from the animal. I have just taken the example milk, honey, meat and eggs and the other things that we get from the animals, that is known as food from the animals, and that we eat and also drink that. Okay students, so now in your homework what you will do is, homework, you have to write down food from plants. Okay, write down food from the plant. The whole thing that we have written, I have just written in the board. Okay, that you have to write down in your homework, and you can submit that in your respective groups. Okay students, and we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.